Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by granting the necessary permissions, because without them the feature won't open. Go to Settings, then Special Features or Apps and find Floating Window or Display over other apps. Enable it for the apps you'll use. Once done, open the app you want to float, then swipe from the bottom or use the Recent Apps view to reveal the floating option. Make sure to enable any per app toggles. This prevents permission errors later and keeps the floating window responsive. Now you'll create and shape the floating window so it fits your workflow. From the Recent Apps screen, tap the app icon and select Float or Open as a floating window. The app becomes a movable overlay. You can resize by dragging corners and reposition it by dragging the top bar. This is why placement matters for visibility. Once positioned, use the window controls to minimize, pin, or close. If there's an opacity or edge gesture setting, tweak it for comfort so the overlay doesn't block important content. To finish, lock the layout you prefer and test common tasks in the floating window so you confirm usability. If the floating window fails to appear, reboot the phone first. Next, verify display over other apps permission and re-enable floating window in settings, then clear the app cache if needed. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist, update MIUI and the app because compatibility fixes are often included. One key troubleshooting tip: resetting app permissions usually clears conflicts without erasing personal data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.